Good morning. Today I'll be going over my code assignment number one, custom event handlers. Click the running. It's loading up. Alright, so for this assignment we have to create a simple event handlers, custom event handlers. So you got the main form. So you have your commands: save, load, print, and exit, and then you have your second option there, add a class. So we click on it, we can create a class. So let's say SDI, because we've already taken it. So that's a completed class. It goes directly into the appropriate list box. We clear the text box and then we put another different class. So let's say DP1. So I complete it. Clear BFW. Almost cleared by accident. Complete it. Now the classes that I haven't taken and they are coming in the future, so APPL, but in this case, then that we can clear it. Let's say Android to the future classes. Now we close this. You can see you can move it down, down, down. If you try to move it again, it will check out. There will be a not check. So let me find that button. Button. There it is. So as you can see, this method allows us for us to move the items from the list box, and when there is the count of the selected items is like when the count is greater than 0, it will come up and say, oh, please add some classes first. Now it's the same thing will happen if we do the opposite. In this case, if we add to the upper list. So wait, sorry, there we go. Yeah, if you click on it, if you don't choose anything, it said please add some classes first. So you have to choose something, or else it won't let you. Now if we click the delete button as well, so let's get rid of Android, delete. If you click again, it will say sorry, there's nothing to delete, try adding some classes first. So you must choose something. You can just click delete and it won't delete anything else. Now let's say if we move it down, you cannot choose both list boxes. It won't let you. Now create. Now if we want to click save, so in this case let's add another class just for the fun of it. So let's call this DVP4 to future classes. Okay, now we go and click save. The save dialog opens. Now if we click Command S, the same result. So test number 5, then click save. Now if we go and check test number 5, it is right there. You can see it is divided by 2 blocks. So you have mobile courses, that's the main block, and then inside the main block there is completed classes and not taken, meaning the future classes. Okay, now if you press Ctrl load, the load window opens up. Okay, so I see a bug in this case. We'll have to go and fix that. Now the same thing if you press Command L. Whoa. What just happened? Command L. Well, for some reason, when I do Command L, it is putting my computer to sleep. There we go. I actually had to press Control. Interesting. So it opens up. So do not press Command L. Now, print. So if you press Command P, the print dialog opens up and you can print the document. So in this case, fax or save to a PDF. Okay. Now, same thing. If you click on it, it will open up. Now, if you click exit, it exits the application. Now, the same thing will happen if you press Command Q. Whoa. I mean Control Q. For some reason, some of the commands only recognizes Control, and the other ones work with Command. I don't understand why. So just give me a second. Let me check that real quick. Oh, okay, whatever. Okay, and let's go into the code. This is I created two classes in this case, class event args and classes. This is where the public string override is, and the anonymous and setters and the fields. Now, if we go into the actual form code, you can see everything, every single method and event handler that I use. So you have the button to save items, so you can save all that information to a XML file in XML format. Then you got your load command, then you print, then you have your event handler method to add to the list box, and then the button to move down, and so on. Now if we go to user input, here are the event handlers, and the code to adjust the size of the screen, the button complete, the tool strip to clear the text field. Alright, thank you very much.